The High Court judge overseeing the Duke of Sussex's privacy claim against the publishers of the Daily Mail said it's a slight oddity that the key witness didn't reveal he'd given contradictory statements to both sides. At the High Court on Wednesday, Mr. Justice Nicklin asked Associated Newspapers Ltd how private investigator Gavin Burrows explained conflicting evidence he gave in two statements. On the final day of the preliminary hearing on Thursday, Adrian Beltrami KC for the defendants said the newspaper was unaware of the existence of a 2021 admission Mr. Burrows had given to the Duke's legal team, when he later provided a denial of the allegations. In one written document submitted to the court, Mr. Burrows strongly denied being commissioned or instructed by the Daily Mail and the Mail on Sunday to gather information unlawfully. However, in an earlier statement provided in 2021, Mr. Burrows appears to have made detailed admissions that he was commissioned by the Mail on Sunday to target celebrities by hacking phones and bugging cars. Mr. Beltrami told the court the second witness statement from Mr. Burrows was in response to the claims made by the claimants and not his original 2021 statement. Mr. Justice Nicklin said, "It's a slight oddity that when asked to provide a statement to the defendants, he didn't say, 'I provided a statement to the claimants 2 years ago.' In a shocking plot twist, the private investigator, at Gavin Burrows, upon whom Prince Harry bases his claim against the Mail on Sunday, alleges he never signed any such statement. It was a copy and paste from his evidence against the News of the World and fraudulently signed by another person. Was Prince Harry aware? Did Elton John knowingly rely on false and fabricated evidence?" Elton John was reportedly left feeling surprised by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's announcement that they were leaving the royal family. A source told the Mirror that while Elton is close to Harry, he'd been blindsided by the couple announcing their decision to step back from their roles within the family, despite being Harry's rock around the time of the announcement in January 2020. The singer still knew the couple were planning to exit the family long before Queen Elizabeth did. The source said, "Elton speaks to Harry and Meghan every day. He's an inspiration, an almost motherly figure. They made their decision alone, but he's a shoulder to lean on and listened as they spoke about their plans. He's a constant support, especially to Meghan, and is very protective of them both. He's been their rock, so while he'd never tell them what to do, he's been a listening ear and support throughout." The Mail Online were told that he was still surprised by the news, and that the first that Elton heard of the details and timing of Harry and Meghan's plans were when the announcements went up on their Instagram. At the time, Meghan and Harry released a statement that said, "After many months of reflection and internal discussions, we've chosen to make a transition this year in starting to carve out a progressive new role within this institution. We intend to step back as senior members of the royal family and work to become financially independent, whilst continuing to fully support Her Majesty the Queen. It's with your encouragement, particularly over the last few years, that we feel prepared to make this adjustment." Elton performed at the Sussex's wedding in 2018. He was also a close friend of Harry's late mother, Princess Diana, going on to perform Candle in the Wind at her funeral.